This is a top. Hello guys, join to dress with me. Come up to dress with me. Yes, thank you. Yes, dress with me. Yes guys, dress with me. I'm up. My clothes, look at the ticket, so I have to cut it. And then I will be putting it on with you guys. Join me. I see how it looks like on my body. So the back side. Put it together. This cream white. Yes. Ta-da! Yes. It looks like. Look at it look like. Hey, it good though. Okay. Since I bought this one, this is my outfit. I've never worn it. I just bought it. Then I said, okay, people are touching it. Let me wash it. I wash it, I iron. I've never put it on. Look at. Now put it on. So, my people, join me. Let's dress together. I'm going out. Thank you. Ciao. Together. Up. Hi, it's in there. It balm for my body. This is my first time of putting on this dress. Okay, guys. We'll be uploading this one. Uploading this one. Uploading this one. How do I look like? As I don't sick like this, I don't small. Guys, look at. No belly. Nothing they happen. Nothing they nothing. You don't finish. So my people, look at how I look like. Hey. See I'm for my body. Yes. So how does I look like? You look good? Dress with me. Come with me. Let's finish the dressing. Dun-dun.